Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to use reactive form. So basically a reactive form is module driven pattern approach, so in which you can create form controls, form group, you can add validation. Case of validations for getting values, setting values of form controls. It also provides you event listener for value change and status change, state change. So you can subscribe that and you can get updated value of controls so that you can use it as see it is form status is invalid, and on receipt I have just added one flag to hide validation messages. Now you can see form status is valid and all form data is ready to use or sent to database. See form group, form control, which I have used for creating form group and form control. To form controller or any control, I can replace it. I can use any method from here like set control. I can replace any control which is defined already in form group, like first name. I can test is the default value that I can see in form. I can clear validations as well. I can see all the different properties here so that I can set it, and gate also. Patch value again same for setting values to that control, so it will make your form dirty and you can see validations and all the things applied here.